Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a bouncing video edit on CapCut. So select the video and then add in a keyframe, and you're just going to zoom in on the picture a little bit like so, and then you are going to go to the end of the video and then add another keyframe and drag the video down like so. And then in between the keyframes you have to go to graphs and then choose flow 1, then press edit and then follow the graphs that I have like so, and then press the check mark button, and then that is basically it. I think you have to make the duration of your video a little bit smaller so you can really see the effect, but you can adjust that later. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!